Tonight, Charles Powell, one of so many facing Florence's fury, refusing to give up. We met his family Thursday, just as the rain was starting.
How are you still here right now? They wanted you all to evacuate.
I'm trying to save this neighborhood. I don't want to let it go.
You're emotional about that.
Yeah, it does kind of break me apart.
With little drainage, the low-lying neighborhood has flooded again and again.
This was from Hurricane Floyd?
Yeah.
So Charles, a commercial fisherman, spent $1,000 out of his own pocket to rent this pump.
If it shuts down, we're in trouble.
Late last night, he was out in the downpour, turning the pump on.
We're hoping that it can keep up with it.
Hours later, desperately fixing it after a clog. This morning, we made it past downed trees and power lines to get to his flood-prone block, and incredibly, the road clear of water.
If it wasn't for the pump that we have, this whole area here would right now be underwater.
Your whole front yard would be
All
underwater.
of it.
To his next-door neighbor, Bob Turner, Charles is a hero.
Come on in. He saved a lot of houses.
Including yours.
But then again, that's Charles.
Charles telling us his fight is not over yet. He'll be out here all weekend. Kate Snow, NBC News, Wilmington, North Carolina.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.